Standard access list, how you will identify this one? It would be 1 to 99. This is a number for identification. This is a number for identification. Okay. There is one more access list that is extended. Mostly you will find everywhere this access list. And how you will identify like 100 to 199. Basically they use this range 100 to 199. So if you will see any access list who has number 100 to 199, you will understand, okay, that is extended. What is the main difference between standard and extended? It will Standard will stop all network traffic.
Yeah.
Means your network will not ping, your network will be unreachable. But in extended, we can block specific services. We can block or allow specific service. What what I mean by services? Services means like how they divided access list. First, suppose that I have IP. IP means if you are saying deny IP, IP will block everything. IP we have three category. First one is TCP. So if I am saying access list deny IP, okay, just you have to understand this thing. It's very important. TCP, sorry, in IP we have three category: TCP, UDP, and one more
UDP.
ICMP.
Oh, okay.
In IP we have three category. Okay,
Okay.
TCP, UDP, ICMP. This is for access list. Okay,
Sorry, is it VDP or UDP?
you sorry, my handwriting is,
U.
yeah, you.
Okay.
So if I am saying access list deny IP, suppose that I said 192.168.1.0. Okay, I said this. So this IP, sorry, one. It's wrong now. 0.0.0.0. I wrote this statement. Okay, it means you block everything. This TCP, UDP, ICMP, all traffic you blocked. See this IP. And this one, right? I hope you got this point, what I'm saying.
Yes.
If I say access list deny IP, so I blocked this kind of traffic also. ICMP I also blocked, UDP I also blocked, TCP I also blocked. Almost whole network I blocked. But extended give us, like more flexibility. Extended access list give us more flexibility. How it will give? IP We have three category: TCP, UDP, IDM, ICMP, UDP, and then ICMP. Then UDP, sorry, TCP, we have protocol like HTTP, Telnet, then FTP, SMTP. This is individual services which belong to TCP. Okay. In UDP, we have DNS, TFTP, then DSCP, yeah, DSCP, and one more there, NTP. Okay, NTP. And ICMP, we have two services only, ping and trace route. So you have to understand this thing. In sorry, standard access list, when I said I had only one option, I can block this option, IP. I blocked this option, so everything is blocked. This service is UDP, ICP, everything is blocked. But extended give us, flexibility, too much flexibility. I can block specific HTTP traffic. Other traffic will work. I can block especially like ping. Other traffic will work. It will not affect to other traffic. I can specifically block SMTP. Okay. I hope you are getting what I'm saying.
Yes.
If you are not getting, ask me. Like you are filtering now in extended, you are filtering your traffic more. I want to suppose that this is a PC and this is a PC. Just giving you example. Okay. I just want to block ping request. I want to block ping request. So I will use here extended access list. Why? I want to block only ping request, not HTTP service, not telnet, not FTP, not SMTP, not DNS, TFTP, DSCP, NTP, or not trace route. I just want to block this ping, only this ping. So other service will work well. Only ping traffic will not go to this PC. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the main example here. How you will block your interesting traffic and which interesting traffic you want to allow. And it doesn't matter here, extended access list, you can put anywhere. Just find the appropriate router and you can fill anywhere this extended access list. Okay. So this kind of access list you will see, a lot when you will work on Cisco router or every router. If you know, you will see there. Okay. Okay, let's do it. So this one.
Okay.
because this two top because we have one more after that.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I don't know. I saved that lab or not. That is name access list, then extended name access list. Just it's your basic firewall. Great. I think
So what you are saying is the firewall.
basic firewall means it will filter your basic traffic. It's
It, so
protecting your
by
basic.
trying to block an access on any of, you'll
Yeah,
be basically using firewall. Is that
access
what you're
list.
saying?
Yeah, access
Yeah.
list. We say basic firewall.
Okay. Okay. So when we say access list, we definitely referring to basic firewall.
Yeah,
Hmm.
basic
Okay.
firewall.
Now it
Because
makes sense.
if you will see, if when you will go for firewall, you
Yeah.
will see a lot there access list.
Hmm.
So basic firewall filtering is access list on the router.
Okay.
Basic your security feature on the firewall, that is access list. Sorry, on router.
And
Yeah,
all
I remove my lab. Great. Need to make again. No problem. We can make. Okay, 1941. If you if you can understand this topic, so it will
hmm.
very helpful in my new labs.
Okay.
And I'm thinking after OSPF BGP and
Yeah.
little bit switching, we can start interview process.
All right.
Yeah, because everything you cannot understand in the classes.
Exactly. We still need to start working to
Yeah,
get used to some things. Yeah. You
when
know.
you will start working, so you will get their problems
Hmm.
because you will find maybe different technology there, more different than we
Hmm.
have. So that's why I'm just completing my basic. Okay.
All right.
Okay, same topology I am taking, same. Here I will take same, my serial link. Let me hide this thing, hide floating control. So I will put this card power off. When you go for job, you will get, little troubleshooting there. You will not get advanced troubleshoot there.
Hmm.
Only, only on bridge calls. Means suppose that there is suppose that something problem with your neighbor router. Okay. So directly you cannot go for that neighbor router to to fix that problem. You have to contact your ISP. My internet is down.
Service provider.
Yeah, service provider. With the help of service provider, you can again start that which router is down. Okay,
Hmm.
so you can work on it. Nowadays, I'm struggling with there was a MPLS issue. So we have to work with ISP in this kind of issue. Real time troubleshooting. Or I'm just telling you, it is just basic. You need to cover too much. But for job, only for job purpose, I will complete your. But
Yeah.
need to learn more when you will get job. Every day is learning. When you enter in
Technology
the,
keep changing.
yeah, when you enter in the IT, you have to make your mindset. Every day you have to learn something. Job time, obviously, you will learn, but that is work. You will learn your work, not
Yeah.
technology.
Yeah.
Because suppose that next day you have new different technology. There is a new firewall, Barracuda.
Bagura.
Yeah, suppose that they put a firewall, Barracuda.
I think I think in that 20 you put two dots.
Okay, I will,
20 dots.
no problem. I will remove.
Okay.
You can see that. Even I cannot see. So that time you cannot say, I don't know Barracuda because you are
Hmm.
already in security.
Hmm.
There is a Cisco router series ASR. Okay. If you get ASR series router
Hmm.
in your work and you are in
Yeah.
routing switching team, so you cannot say I don't know ASR because you are in routing switching. So everyone know if you know a routing switching, so you can handle it.
Okay.
Only sometime you
Mhm.
have to give time for learning. I'm not trying.
Sheesh.
Yeah,
I want to get something clear.
yeah,
Uh, Once you are getting connecting to your PCs,
yes,
so that means you have to be on what's it called? On this network, um IPv IPv4.
okay. So what is the
Is
problem?
that right?
Yeah, this is IPv4. No, in some network you will find IPv6 also. Nowadays,
Okay.
in new network,
Yeah.
which new established network, right? So you will
Mm.
see IP6 also there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
mostly 80% of network working on IPv4.
IPv4. All right.
But I was working with my one student. He's Indian student. So
Yeah.
he was using SRPv6. There was everything related to IPv6.
IPv6.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm. Okay.
When you start work, so you will learn easily because you see
Yes.
every day same environment, same problem every day.
Mm.
So slowly, slowly you will learn. Not
Yes.
within a
But
one day. It will take
yeah,
like
but
your,
but there are some basic things that we need to just get used to.
yeah, basic thing.
Yeah. So that it shouldn't be
First,
confused when you get to
yeah,
work.
first 2 3 months your
Mm.
hardest month when you are working.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you will get stress first 2 3 months a lot.
Mm. A lot of people always say networking is one of the hardest parts in IT.
No, which we doesn't know that is hardest part, which we know that is easiest part. If you will,
But
suppo- if suppose
I
that,
see, I see, I'm just getting straight into networking and I'm finding it much more interesting than when I was doing Linux.
yeah, Linux, suppose that if you will, suppose that I don't know Linux, okay? If you will say me
Mm.
to put command there to check anything, so For me, that is hard because I don't have practice on Linux.
Oh,
If you know Linux, that is other thing, but
hmm,
practice
yeah.
is different thing.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, if you don't practice on any of these things, you can forget easily.
Yeah, easily within a just don't do practice 3 days. You will
Hmm.
forget everything right now.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You are in which state?
Hmm.
So practice is more important.
Exactly.
It comes, slowly, slowly.
Yeah.
Like it takes more than 2, 3 months. Actually, CCNA also take more than 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah, more than 3 months it takes. But for job purpose, I just
Hmm.
use my shortcut, right?
Okay.
Yeah, but actually CCNA also take more than 3 months.
Hmm.
And you will understand this thing in within 1 year. That is the real truth.
So within 1 year, one can easily say, okay,
After one
on
year,
networking, I'm good.
yeah, you can say I can do my work and I can understand technology also.
Hmm. Hmm.
I'm just
Okay.
including both things, okay? Work and technology. Suppose that you are working and you stop your reading or learning. So what will happen that time? You will get only one thing which you are doing in your job. That's it.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
true.
So never stop your learning.
Yeah, that's another way of learning. The one you're doing on your job. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, sorry. This is 2.1. I forgot to save this lab. That's why I have to make it. See, link local address
Hmm.
is there.
Yeah.
If I want to put, I can put that IPv6 also. But in the
Okay.
beginning, IPv6 is not a easy.
Hmm.
But mostly right now I'm working in 3 projects, right? In 3 projects,
Hmm.
there is no IP6.
Okay.
Yeah, there is no
It's
any
only
IP.
IPv4.
Yeah, only IP4. So mostly that's why I'm saying 80% of network you will
You're
find.
still using IPv4.
Yeah,
Okay. I'm actually used to IPv4, but you're making it easier for me to get used to IPv6 now.
don't focus on
So I
IPv6.
don't I know the difference now. IPv4, IPv6. Before I don't know the difference.
Indian companies are working on IPv6. Why? Because they provided services. Indian companies are services based. Services means like suppose that in US you have network. So Indian team will come to join that network and they will provide service.
Okay. Okay. They will provide the services
Yeah,
needed.
service.
Okay.
That's why they are working on IPv6.
IPv6. Okay.
Suppose that I just my this is my new data center and I focus
Hmm.
about after 10 years. Okay.
Hmm.
I'm focusing
Yeah.
about after 10 or 20 years.
Yeah.
So I will make new technology there, right? I will use my new technology. I will use
That's
new kind of routers.
hmm. Hmm. Much more advanced
Uh,
technology.
Yeah, which is old technology you don't need to care about.
Hmm.
Okay, router one. Let's I'm doing just, basic configuration
Yeah.
right now.
Interface.
Okay. So basic is completed on this router, router 1 and router 2. Everyone has a same situation, same problem. Like, you think you are working a lot? No, we are also working a lot. But we are
Everybody
just,
is working at their own pace.
yeah, but we are giving time to uh, my like technology also. After your class, I will read something.
Hmm.
I will
Then,
revise or I will read something.
then we go to sleep.
Yeah. So I am using my weekend.
Yeah. Usually I use my weekend as well, basically for my studies, because that's the only time I have.
And I know some person who is working from 5 to 6 year in the IT, from 5 to 6 year. Still they are in same phase. They know only what they have work
Hmm. Hmm.
because they don't want to upgrade themselves.
That's one of the reasons they don't want to upgrade. It's a big problem.
Yeah. Okay, I think my basic configuration is almost done. I don't think so. Now you have any problem in basic configuration, right?
No, 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 no. We're now masters, and we should be masters in that.
Okay, I will use any routing protocol which
Like,
EIGRP 100.
oh yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
so it will help me EIGRP 100 default. So I don't need
Okay,
to put too much effort of
okay, that's
config
fine.
because at least first we need connectivity, right? No auto summary. Sorry,
Network.
0.0.0.0. That's it. Or one more thing, you can put in notepad also. If you have big configuration, just put there
Okay,
router
okay.
EIGRP 100, no
Hmm.
auto summary,
Don't worry.
then network, and then exit.
Okay.
Just I need to copy and paste now.
Hmm.
I will go on router to configuration mode and paste it. Okay, so it's done.
Yeah. Uh, Ashish, I want to ask a question.
Yeah,
Now you set up your lab right now.
yeah,
You're making a configuration on it.
yeah,
If if you want to change, is it possible to change the configuration?
yeah. I can change my configuration.
Oh, really?
So what you want to change in configuration?
No, like the other time I sent something to you that then you told me I need to remove static, or I
Okay,
need to take
okay,
it off from,
okay. Yeah, got
yes, yes, something like that. But
it. Okay,
I set up a lab like this, and I tried to, do the IGRP
okay.
back
So
on it. I think I have it on static,
okay,
but a little bit I'm getting some positive results. But
oh,
in case I couldn't continue, I'll just send them to you and help me check through if what I'm where I'm making a mistake. But I want to try it on my own and see if it will work.
Okay. When you have this router, suppose that I save this is my fresh router one. Okay.
Mm.
I
Yeah.
want to check what is configured on this router. So
Mm.
just show run command.
Sure wrong.
So this thing you have to ignore. This is not for us. No IP. This is not for us. Just
Mm-hmm.
you have to check space. Then use space. So interface I have
Interface.
this IP assign. Then this interface I have this IP assign. Other interface nothing is there.
Mm-hmm.
And I can see there is a protocol assigned EIGRP.
Okay.
So I know in which interface I have which IP
Mm.
and which protocol I assigned on my router. So suppose that let me add here a static route. Okay, 20.0.0.0. Uh, just assigning by myself. I'm not saying it is right or wrong. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, okay. I assigned a static route. Okay, this is fresh router. I don't know what is there. I will use show run command. I will start
Mm.
from the beginning. Everything one by one line because this is practice we can see here.
Whose name?
Host name. This is I assigned.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. This IP address I assigned.
Okay.
This IP address. Then I assigned this router EIGRP also. And this IP route is also showing here.
Mm.
But we don't need it because we already have EIGRP. So you don't
So we
need to
don't
do
need.
anything. You have
Mm.
to go in configuration mode. Just
To
put no
remove it.
command, no command, and copy this IP, this route, sorry,
Okay.
and paste it here. And that's it.
Oh. Oh.
So it's removed.
Mm. 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 Mm.
You
Mm.
can check.
Mm.
Now it is disappeared. See there, it is here.
This
After,
is gone.
yeah, just
Mm.
no delete before your command. If you use no and delete before your command, so that thing will remove.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So let me try my connectivity. I will try 192.168.1.1 can ping to 3.1. Okay, it's starting.
It's pending.
Yeah. So what we have task in this topology related to extended access list,
Mm.
what is my task here? Deny the user's LAN. Users on LAN 192.168.2.0
Mm.
should not access 192.168.1.3 HTTP service. See now difference. I'm just saying this user
To be
deny the
denied.
user on LAN. Which user in this LAN 2.0? Okay, should
Yeah.
not access. They not should not access 1.3 HTTP service. Only service we are talking about now services, not whole IP or whole network. Okay, same statement, not same, little different, but let me copy paste. 3.0 should not access 192.168.1.4 FTP service. So see, now we are filtering a lot. We are filtering
Hmm.
in deeply. Each and every service we are focusing now. Uh, Let me copy paste so it would be easy for me. 3.1 should not access the 1.3 HTTP service. This is single PC to single PC. Okay, then 4. LAN 2.0 should not just removed. Should not get DNS services from DNS server 192.168.1.4. Okay, what is the fifth one? Deny the users from the host between 192.168.3.2 and 192.68.1.2 should not be able to send ICMP, ping and trace message. And yeah, then we have to permit statement. After we will do this, we have to give permit statement. Okay, trace route, you are seeing this new word here, right? So basically, if you use trace route, so it will tell you from where your packet is going on.
Hmm.
Let me try it on Cisco router. Trace route is doesn't work really. Okay, the router is not showing. I want to trace. If I want to see my 1.1 traffic, how it's going to 1.3.1. So I will check here. Trace. I will trace that 192.168.3.1. Tracert. Sorry, in window we have command
Trace
tracert.
paths.
Tracert. So it
Trace.
will tell me how my traffic is going.
Okay.
So first it is using this IP 1.100. Then it is using this IP 10.0.0.2. Okay. Then it is using 20.0.0.2. This is here.
Hmm.
Then it is reaching to this destination. Okay. So it's showing what is my traffic flow. How my traffic going 1.1 to 3.1. Okay. So in the middle, this stops is there. This hops is there. In the middle, this router is there or this kind of device is there. When you try to ping 1.12, 3.1, so these IP is coming in the middle.
mm,
Okay. So this
okay.
information trace means you are tracing your destination
Ah,
location, destination IP.
okay.
Nowadays, we don't need to do too much trace or this thing. It's your bad luck if you are doing tracer and trace route because nowadays we have monitoring tool to check. Monitoring tools means it monitor all the devices,
Yeah.
which whatever you have devices in your network. Okay, so let's start to it. Access list. So we have these statements. First, I will see what I have to do. Okay, because and first I have to see my router, which router is good for me. Always remember extended access list, it will apply near to source. Okay, let's see. So everything you are seeing there related to 1.3, 1.4, 1.3, 1.4, 1.2, right?
Mm,
Everything is showing one network. So that's mean one network and router is this one. You can easily identify router. Just you have to see there. See, deny the user on LAN 2.0 should not access 1.3.
three.
3.0 should not access 1.4. 3.1 should not access 1.3. Every statement is saying about one network 1.2, 1.4, 1.3. So I got my router.
It's still under the same subject.
Yeah, I got my router. I have to apply access list on router 1 after seeing this because every statement is saying it should not access 1.3, it should not access 1.4. Okay, so I got my router 1, it's good for my access list because this is near to source according to extended access list. This is my nearest source router.
Mm,
Okay, let's do it first command. Some okay, let's do it first one. Deny the user on 2.0 should not be access. Okay. 1.3 HTTP service. Okay. So let's try to make it. See this? Let me try. Just read this, okay? First. I will put there also. This statement you have to read, otherwise. Okay, this is my first statement. So I'm writing here or here. So you can see right. Deny the user on LAN 2.0 should not access 1.3 HTTP service. Okay. So this is extended. So I will use access list shift and question mark. For extended, I have 100 to 199. So I will use 100. Access list 100. What I have to deny? I have to deny 1.3 should not, uh, 2.0 should not access 1.3 HTTP service. Okay. So I will write here deny what I have to deny 2.0. Okay.
92.
But we have to see HTTP. This is HTTP. So HTTP is in which category?
Yes,
No, it is in which category? So go in your chart again.
it's in ID,
No, HTTP in which category? TCP.
TCP. Okay.
So that is my protocol is TCP, right?
Yeah.
Even if you will use shift and question mark, so you will get your next command also. So it is showing AHP, EIGRP,
Yes.
ESP, GRE, ESP and GRE. This is the VPN protocol. ICMP, this is TCP. So TCP, I want to block TCP protocol. Now it is showing me, saying me source address, any address or host address. Okay. So what is my source address? Can you tell me?
That's
192, 168, 20.
Yeah, because I want to block this 2.0 HTTP service. Sorry, again wrong. 2.0 network cannot access 1.3 HTTP service. Let me clear you more. I hope you will got that. Okay, let me complete this, then
post.
I will tell you. So my source address is 192.168.2.0. Then shift and question mark again. So wildcard. This is a network address I know 0.255. This is my wildcard mask. Okay. Uh, Okay, I created this statement. But in extended access list, we have to define my source sorry, my destination also. So see, it is showing my destination address. What is my destination? So 1.3 is my destination. Oh my god, how many things is opening there? So I will write here 1.3. Then again shift and question mark. So you can write 1.3 also, or you can write 0.0.0 like this also. Okay. Then next statement. There is, equal to, greater than, not equal to. Mostly we don't, we will not get this thing.
Less than.
Mostly we use equal to. Why? Because if you want to block, so you will say equal to that service. You will not say greater than that service. It is not possible, right? So I will write equal to, means equal to which services. Sorry. So HTTP is covering in www,
Yes.
World Wide Web. So I will write here www. So this was my first statement.
But you can use the port as well. 80.
Port number we can use. Let's try. If you have doubt, just use this. I removed. Okay. Let me make
Okay.
it again. 100 deny TCP. My destination address. Destination subnet mask. Sorry, source address. Source wildcard mask. Then destination address.
0,
Then destination. Sorry. Again I did
0
mistake. Yeah, 0.
equals to.
Let me use equal to HTTP. That's it.
Okay.
It will work or not? It's not working.
Distance.
Let me try 80. Yeah, 80 is working.
It work. Right?
Yeah, so same thing.
Okay.
If I
So
want,
we can use WW or 80.
Yeah. Suppose that I want to write HTTP. Maybe it will also work HTTP.
Okay, let's try that too.
No, HTTP is,
Invalid.
yeah, it's not working. So
Mm.
you can identify if, see, it's showing here clearly HTTP
Worldwide, yeah, HTTP.
50 or 80. So let me try to write you HTTP in capital letter, right? Maybe then it
Okay,
will work.
okay, yes. Yeah.
No.
No, no.
So we have only two options. I can use www
WW,
or I can
H,
write my port. So I will go to my port. Okay, it is also easy. So first statement I created. What was
mm,
my first statement? See again this statement.
deny access,
Yeah,
deny
the
access user on lab lane 192.168.2.0 should not access 192.168.1.3
one
HTTP service.
mean 2.0 should not communicate
Yeah.
1.3 via HTTP.
Mm.
So access list 100. It's showing me this is my extended. Then which service I want to deny? I want to deny HTTP service. Okay. So
Yeah.
HTTP service, it's under TCP protocol. So that's why I wrote this thing deny TCP. Okay. In
Mm.
TCP, I define uh, my network, which LAN user. So these LAN users should not. So this is my destination or source.
You specify where you want to deny it from. Then the network
No,
and the
this is my source address or destination.
okay.
Or this, just just see here. Okay. 2.0. This is my source or destination.
Mm-hmm.
You are here, right?
Yeah,
Let me give you more clarification.
I think I get it.
You are here.
192.
You are
Okay.
here on router 1. We are using access list here, right? Where is my pen?
Mm.
So any traffic coming from here, this is for HTTP traffic, right? Or this
Yeah.
is a normal traffic and it is going by for this. So which one is my source and which one is my destination? I am here. Traffic coming by here. This 2.0 network should not access this 1.3 HTTP services.
Yeah. 1.3 is your destination, right? Is your yes.
Why it is my destination?
Because you're moving from 2.1. You said the access should be denied from getting to 1.3, 1.3.
Yeah, that's right. So you have to make sense here. From where traffic is coming,
Is
okay?
your source destination.
Yeah, and for which,
I mean, I'm confusing myself.
yeah. You have to just understand from where this traffic is coming and for which PC or for which IP this traffic. So you will understand what
That is
is
the
your
destination.
source or such destination.
Hmm.
Basically, we think, suppose that I am here. Basically, in the beginning, we learn in which router I am here, that is my source. Yeah, that is also correct for basic learning. But we always see our traffic flow. According to my traffic flow, we decide our source and destination. Okay, according to my
Okay.
traffic flow. So
Yeah.
that's why I wrote here. Oh my god, where is that access list? Uh, but that is our bad luck. We cannot check this thing.
Hmm.
Okay,
So,
we can. So this statement I made. Okay. Then next
yeah.
statement. It is also same. Deny the user 3.0 should not access the 1.4 FTP service. Now for FTP service. I know access list this is extended. So this is for just divide in chunks. Okay. This is for extended. Now what I have to deny? I will check there. I have to deny 3.0. So deny, then I have to see protocol. FTPs come in TCP or UDP?
Hmm.
Did you remember that table?
Yes, I remember.
Okay,
Table
FTP is in TCP or UDP? Okay, let's see again.
FT
It is in TCP.
is in
Okay,
UDP.
no,
Yes.
TCP, TCP.
No, TCP is the first one, right?
Yeah, FTP in TCP.
It's okay. It's the first one. Yeah.
Yeah, so always when you will do it, so always, just in front of that table,
Hmm.
when you will do first time, I know you will not get. So just in front of that table
Yeah.
and then see. Okay. So 3.0.
Okay.
So my source address is 192.168.3.0
Zero.
and this is my wildcard mask. Then it will say me my destination address. So destination is 1.4 and wildcard mask 0.0.0 and packet should be greater than, no, not greater, equals to FTP. See, FTP is clear here. Or you can use port number also, 21.
Hmm.
So it's your choice. You use port number or you directly writing FTP, right?
Yeah.
So two statement I made it. Now let's see three. Three is also easy.
Hmm.
Now
Okay.
it
Now
is
it says HTTP.
HTTP service same. So access list. This is my extended access list. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have to see which protocol. HTTP again. So deny
Hmm.
TCP, right?
Yes.
And what is my destination IP?
That's
3.1. So I will write TCP host 192.168.3.1.
hmm.
This is one method. You can write like also you can write like this also 192.168 dot sorry 3.1. Then wildcard mask you have to apply. Then you have to write your destination address. Then again you have to apply wildcard mask for what service? HTTP. So equal to HTTP. Sorry, it will
Uh,
go
W.
www or 80.
Yes.
Yeah, or 80, right?
Yes.
Okay,
ATW.
three statement we created. Now two more. Deny the user 2.0 should not get DNS service from DNS server 1.4. 1.4, he's assuming it is DNS
DNS.
server. He's assuming his DNS server. Actually, it is not, but he's assuming like this. This is DNS server, right? Okay.
Domain name.
So how I will deny this domain name server? Okay, let's start. Just see this first. We have to deny 2.0 should not get. Okay. So 2.0 is my
Yes.
source
Do
address.
not get DNS server.
Okay. So access list. Sorry, not AAA. Access list 100 deny
Deny.
2.0. Source address 2.0. This is wildcard mask of 2.0.
Okay.
Then my source, something is did I wrong. What I did wrong? Can you tell me?
TCP deny the DNS.
Yeah, deny. I forgot protocol here. Which kind
Yes,
of
the
protocol?
protocol. Yeah. So under which protocol do we have the DNS?
Yeah, great, great, great. Deny. So DNS will come, UDP protocol.
Okay.
Source address is, what was source address? 2.0, right?
Yes.
Dot
Like,
2.0.
so,
This is wildcard mask of 2.0.
mm,
Then destination IP. Let's see what is the destination IP. 1.4.
198, 1.4.
And let's see wildcard bit. It should be 0.0 for single PC. Then
Yes.
equal to.
Okay.
So what option is for DNS?
DNS 53
Where is
or
DNS?
domain.
Oh, domain.
Maybe
Right, right, right. So I can write
domain
domain or 53
or ports.
or port number. So I'm writing domain. Maybe 53
Okay.
we will forget port number.
That's true.
So domain I can remember easily. Domain means DNS.
Exactly.
So sometimes you have to make accesses according to your understanding also. 53
Mm,
is not a common port number.
exactly. It's not like 80.
Yeah. Okay, last statement I also have. This is last or yeah. Not this is not last. Deny the user from host 3.2 and 1.2. Okay. This is my source address.
I see.
Ping and trace route message between 3.2 to 1.2. 3.2 to 1.2. This is my source and this is my destination. Okay.
Mm.
We have to block. So access list 100. Deny. Ping and trace route come in which category protocol? Like under which protocol? It is showing because not able to send IC. Okay, it's clearly right here.
Let's see.
ICMP.
ICP,
Yeah. ICMP.
ICMP, question mark.
Why not 6.2.2, right? Or wrong? 3.2, not 2.2. 3.2, sorry. 3.2
I
should
see it.
not
I
ping
see
to,
it.
yeah,
I think you're doing, is it 3.2 or 3.1?
3.2. It's right here.
Oh,
This is my
okay.
destination. This is my source. Because it is saying deny the user from the host between 3.2 and 1.2. So 3.2, then your wildcard mask for single IP address or single PC. Then your source address should be 192.168. Sorry, what I read? 192.168.1.2. So ICMP we have two messages, right?
Mm.
So let's see echo and echo reply. So first I will use echo. This is for ping. Echo reply for reply. Okay. So we have to make two access list here. And then echo reply. Only this thing I can check here. Now let's see what I configured. Show access list. Right now this is my configuration. I made these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 statements. This was for HTTP, right? www. This was for FTP. Again, this was for HTTP. I use port number, but automatically it's taking www. This was for DNS, and these two are for ping,
Yes.
ICMP. So ICMP always, this is minimum. All in ICMP protocol, we have to define echo and echo reply. Okay, let's try. We can do, okay, yeah, one more statement. This is, I use, only deny statement here. It will not work. Access list will not work. We have to give a permit statement also, then it will work. This is a implicit deny in the access list or Cisco router. Okay, 100 permit IP any. Just you have to write any source or any destination. Okay, then let's check now. No access list. Okay, now my access list configuration is done. Okay, let's see. Now I have this statement I made, but where I will apply this statement, which interface? Accordingly, this was my source, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, this was my source.
Your
So I can,
subnets.
apply on out direction F0/0. Why? Because anything coming from the destination, okay, when it will come, it will see my services. Then
Yeah.
it will access my all services, okay, which traffic I deny, only that traffic it will filter here. Okay, basic interface you will not find in your job time because it's very upper level work, but IP access group 100 out, right? No, IP access group F0/0. Oh, sorry, what I'm writing here. I have to go in interface, then I will write IP access group 100 out. I can check only my ping. In uh like this kind of access list, like what is this? Uh, Extended access list. You don't need to care about out or in too much. You can use here also in direction because every specific service you identify, you write it down there. So you don't need to see you have to use only out direction or in direction. Just need to understand. You can put in S0/1/0 in direction also. When you will do it, then ask me. Okay. Otherwise, you will not get anything. Okay. I can check only my ping request right now because I don't have DNS server, not HTTP server, not FTP. I don't have anything. I cannot check right now, but I can check my ping request. So I will go in 3.2. Okay. I disable ping request for 1.2. Oh my God. So I will try to ping 192.168.1.2. It should not be ping. Yeah, it's not pinging. What about 1.1? It's pinging. Yeah, 1.1 is working. Okay. So you can verify like this also. So let me write for you configuration. When you will do it, you will understand. I think it's too much today. Oh my God, I cannot go. I cannot see. Where is my router? Okay, so I will use show run command. If I cannot see my configuration, so I will use show run command. Show run, and I will see where is my access list. Okay, this is here. If you cannot see your access list, just use show run command. If you cannot see your configuration, just use show run command. So router 1, I use access list. This was the statement which I use in configuration mode. Then one more thing I use. IP, I use interface. Interface. For which interface I applied this interface F0/0 IP access group 100 out, out. Or you can use one more thing here, interface interface S0/1/0. I think this is right. S0/1/0 in direction. So here it doesn't matter. Okay, this was the configuration of access list. I'm not doing complete access list configuration because I want at least you will do one time so you can ask me. Okay, so I can tell you what problem you are facing. Without doing, if you will ask me problem, so you will not understand. I'm just saying you clearly. Okay, that's it.